Here is our order table and our order items table. If you look at the order items table, you can see that order number 1 has 2 items in it, while order number 2 has 3 items. This is perfectly normal, and all the data in the 2 tables is correct. Now, imagine you join your orders and order items tables. Order number 1 has 2 items, so its $50.36 total appears twice. Order number 2 has 3 items, so its $24.12 total appears 3 times. If you run a simple sum on that column, you get $223.44, but the actual revenue is only $124.84. That's a massive error caused by a simple join. You might think, I'll just use sum distinct. But look at order number 1 and order number 3. They both happen to have a total of $50.36. A distinct sum would collapse those 2 different orders into one, giving you a result that is under the real total. You need a way to deduplicate based on the order ID, not the dollar amount. Looker's symmetric aggregates solve this by using the primary keys you've defined in your model. Remember, every view should have a primary key defined. Looker tracks exactly which values belong to which order ID by generating complex SQL to create a unique identifier for every row's value. It's mathematically rigorous, but for the front-end user, it's invisible. In this simplified example, Looker knows to omit the duplicated rows from the total calculation. Even though the rows are repeated in the join, Looker recognizes that the total is a property of the order, and it ensures each unique order's total is counted exactly once. This ensures that you just get the right answer, $124.84.